Hello, it is your hot sexy bad girl straight out of Jamaica. It's Choreo, the man them Oreo, them some nice and sweet and round up like a Oreo and that. My 7 out second back who don't like that bite that. So to all those who have been following me, we've been doing a twerking challenge, twerk drills. So we went through puppy tail, we did a single booty riding. Today now we're going to do a little bit more of a soca type movement. It's a whine and twerk. So whining and twerking simply looks like this. So you're whining and you're twerking because you're a magician and you're cool like that. So if this video is something that you want to listen to, you want to watch, you want to learn, you want to take heed, stay tuned. First things first, what we've been doing, let me explain the phone. I'm not an addict. What we've been doing is using the phone as a 30-second timer, right? So we're doing 4 sets of 30 seconds of each drill. So I break it down for you first, and then we do it 4 sets of 30 seconds. The first 2, I do it slowly, and in the final 2, I do it real time. So a whine and twerk, as I showed you before, real time, look like this. Slowing it down, you're doing a whine, drop that booty, whine it, drop that booty, whine it, drop, whine, drop, and drop, whine, drop, whine, drop, and drop. You try saying whine, drop fast. I already have a lisp. That ish is difficult, okay? So it's a whine drop, whine drop, whine drop, whine drop, whine drop, whine drop, and you're doing it fast. So slow first. Let me do 4 of them before we actually start the drill. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I try this side, you notice that I am heisting up the booty to drop it down, to go back into that circle, whine it, drop it into that circle, whine it, up, drop it into that circle. So the difference between the up and the drop. You get me? So let's do this. If you have not caught on yet, rewind, click on that half speed feature that YouTube has below that has helped millions of people, yeah? And then you can join us again. I'm going to start with the 4 sets of 30-second drills. First 2, as I said, are going to be slow, and the final 2 are going to be real time. So let's get into it. Have my trusty timer right here. In 3, 2, and 1. Drop, 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 drop. Ag, go, drop, 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 drop. Ag, go, drop. A, drop, drop, drop. Ag, go, drop, go, drop, go, drop. 10 seconds more, and hey, hey, hey. Ag, go, hey. 2, 1, freedom. Okay? So I'm going to do this again, but I'm going to face to the side, okay? So if you see me shiny, it's not oil, girl, it's sweat. Because I'm one of those instructors, I work out with you real time, because I don't believe in looping videos and making people feel like I'm a superhuman. No, girl, I get tired, I get exhausted, it's hard work. I need you to see this, okay? So when you see me dancing on the road, you can appreciate what I do behind the scenes. Let's get into it. 3, 2, and hold on, let me unlock this phone here. 3, 2, here we go, and 1. And go, wind up, wind up, wind up, wind up, wind it up, and drop. Hey, oh, yes. 5 more seconds. Hey. Yeah, I was just getting into it. So, we're gonna do the next set, real time, 30 seconds. It's gonna be a killer, but we can do it. I'm gonna do the final set, the same 30 seconds, real time. It's gonna be a killer. So here we go. 3. Whew. I gotta get in. And one thing you can notice too, sometimes I have my hands up here, sometimes I put them right here, sometimes I just kind of drop them side like this, and just kind of pelt our waistline back a little bit more. It helps to make the waistline look smaller. Makes your little booty look bigger too. So here we go. In 3, whoops, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Didn't I just say we're gonna go faster? I'm sorry, let's go again. But you know, sometimes the breakdowns movements actually look pretty stylish. So you can actually do the breakdowns. If you aren't able to catch a fast one, if you have like a, give me that fast one, fast one, fast one, you can actually do this movement on that beat, as long as it's like a slow beat. You know what I mean? So let's get into it. We're doing the fast one. 3, 2, 1, here we go. I hope that was good for you. So now I'm going to do it facing this way. Ready? Whew. Breathe out. Whew. In 3, in 2, same thing, and 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Head, boobies, waist, booty, again head, boobies, waist, booty, again head. Keep it, keep it, keep it. Yo, thank you so much for joining. Today we did wine and twerk, which is pretty much a soca version to this movement. You can do it, so see you again next week.